everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. You will see click on restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panels, just swipe down and turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. Turn on and turn off. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray and again insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is software update. Click on settings app, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.